Hello and welcome to Computer Hardware Fundamentals Level 1. This recording will talk about how to use Blackboard for this course that you're taking this year. Congratulations on getting this far. You've successfully logged into Blackboard, found this course, and clicked on the Learning Plans link. You have found the Getting Started folder, and you've found this recording. Before you go any further, I would just like to go over some things about Blackboard in this class that you'll want to know so that you can be successful in this course. First, over on the left of the screen is a link to student resources. When you click on that link, you're going to find several different items. Starting at the top, the NetTutor link will connect you to a tutor outside of NTC. This is probably not something that you're going to use a great deal inside this course. The next link, Netiquette Rules, takes you to a document that helps you to review the rules that you should be following when you communicate with others in an online class, in the discussion board, and with your instructor via email. The Academic Resource Center link provides academic support for any NTC student in any NTC class. The NTC Support Resources area has the information you are most likely to use as you are starting this class. If you run into technical problems with your NTC email or Blackboard, use the Contact the Help Desk link to submit a request for assistance. The next link, Access Blackboard Student Tutorials, takes you to a page on NTC's website that tells you how to do things in your Blackboard class. It includes things like how to submit an assignment, how to take a test, how to use the discussion board, how to check your grades, how to save a Word document in the correct format. All of these are things that you will be using in this class as you're taking the course this year in Blackboard. It also tells you how to change your password should you need to do this. All right, going back to the student resources, the last area under NTC Support Resources is the Access NTC Library Resources. This is available to you as an NTC student in this class. Next are additional resources that you might find useful while you're in this class. Coming back to the main area, take a look at My Grades. Once you've taken a quiz or submitted an assignment, you can come here to see if it's been graded and if so, what your grade is. If you see an exclamation point, the assignment or discussion has been submitted but not yet graded. You will also see here all due dates for assignments if your instructor is using due dates in the class. Note, I am using due dates, so make sure everything gets submitted by the date and time listed. To navigate through Blackboard, use the breadcrumb trail up at the top underneath My Blackboard and Courses. The last section is the section where you currently are. Right now we are getting in the Getting Started area. Notice that that is underneath the learning plans. Click on any previous parts of the path to go to that specific section. Now this is going to be very useful when you're doing different things in the same learning plan. Rather than going over to the left, clicking on learning plans, and then choosing your learning plan out of the list, simply go to the breadcrumb trail and click on learning plans, or click on the name for the learning plan that you're in, and that will take you right to that area. Going back to getting started, now you are ready to print out and read the syllabus. Once you've done that, take the syllabus quiz as many times as you need to until your score is 100%. To open the syllabus document, you're going to need Word or a similar word processing program on your computer. Single or double click on the document link to open the document. Once you've opened the document, you can then print it as you would any other document of this type. You'll want to keep the course schedule, which is at the end of the document, near your computer so that you don't forget about assignment due dates. Once you've read through the syllabus, take the syllabus quiz. Click on the link, which will then take you into the quiz. It is a timed test, but you have 30 minutes to take it. Once you start this test, this quiz, you must complete it before exiting. When you are finished with the quiz, click on Save and Submit. Now this test does allow multiple attempts. You can take it as many times as you need to until you get 100%. Once you have saved and submitted the quiz, it will be automatically graded for you and will report your grade. It will also allow you to look and see what questions you got wrong so that you can brush up on that area before you take the test again. Once you've gotten 100% on the quiz, you are now ready to go on to Learning Plan 1. So come up to Learning Plan 1 and do what's listed on the screen. If you are having any difficulties with any of this, follow the 15-minute rule. In other words, try to figure out what isn't working and try different things to get it to work or to determine what you should be doing. If you haven't made any progress after 15 minutes, send me an email with the details of your difficulty, or if it's a technical problem with Blackboard, submit a ticket to the help desk. Once you've done this, go on and work on something else in the learning plan if you can. For instance, if you can't get the recording of a lecture to work, try to figure out why. But after 15 minutes, read the printed lecture provided instead and then go on to work on the labs for that learning plan. Again, if you have any questions or are confused by anything that you're being asked to do, reach out to the assistant in your lab or send me an email. I will try to respond as soon as I can. Thanks and welcome to Hardware 1 Online.